Hi, welcome. Let's move forward to learn English. Do you have any idea what is noun? Let's see some common examples. Then we will explore the nature to find out nouns. Classroom, books, giraffe, bird, and flower are example of nouns. Let's explore the nature to identify different types of nouns. You can notice here, men, trees, temple, wall, fence, yellow color, steel fence, railing flower vase, pillograms, worship bowl, babies, sister, brother, clear sky, crowd of people, house, field, staircase, roof, water. These all are nouns.
Similarly,
Around us, we see various objectives: people, animal, birds, places, and entities. These are identified by their name. In grammatical term, that's called noun. So in short, we can say noun is name of people, animal, birds, things, feelings, and places. Nouns can be classified basis of their characteristics. Here we will discuss about number 1, countable noun, and number 2, uncountable noun. Countable noun. The noun we can count in numbers and express their counting. We have some examples of countable nouns. Easily, these nouns can be counted. For extents, 1 mango, 2 mangoes, 1 apple, more apples, 1 boy, more than 1 boys, 1 cock, more cocks.
Uncountable noun. This noun refers to things which we can't count in number. For example, uncountable nouns stated as below: water, we can't count water. Cloud also can't be counted. Similarly, fire and rice, which we can't count.
please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video.